Yo, what's good? Today, we're definitely making a big one. So stick to the end cause the FLP is free, bro. I'ma show you how to make a song like Sad Phonk, Bite Ending Phonk, Beautiful Moon Phonk by DJ Sekiman and etc. Sorry for not dropping OG vids in a while, because the old channel got moved by YouTube. Yeah, we got moved. So we made a new one and now, we back, baby! Please unsubscribe if you haven't. Wait, no, please subscribe if you haven't. And with that, let's go! Step 1, the tempo. This is the basic first thing to do for all producers. Always start from the tempo before doing anything else, bro. And we're gonna choose 125 BPM. BPM stands for beats per minute. Word. Step 2, the source. By source, I mean the original audio, sample, or sound effect that we and many other funk producers clip or remix to turn it into funk. And for this video, we're gonna be clipping this song. It's called Voici ton chemin by Le Choriste. It's a French song. Apparently, somebody already made high energy funk out of it. So I thought to myself, how about we turn it into new funk style? I'll have the original song link below in the description so you can go ahead and grab it. And then after downloading the video or audio, drop it into FL Studio. Now, make a volume automation using Fruity Balance. We'll drop a separate video on this topic. Chop the automation to a small amount and then copy paste it to create your own custom rhythm. Now let's mix it. Start with an EQ to increase the highs, brochacho. A Fruity Balance for the volume automations. Another EQ to smooth both highs and lows. And of course, Valhalla Vintage Verb for the reverb. If you don't have this plugin, don't worry, bro. They're all free in the Discord server. And after some extremely
I sound like a 14-year-old, but my boobs are...
the sub bass. Use Serum plugin and the sub bass preset to write some random notes. I mean just random shit, bro, nothing serious. Join the DC for them presets, bro. We got all of them. I didn't give it a single mix in this tutorial, but you can if you want to, shawty. You understand, baby girl? And this is what I came up with. Honestly, this is the best I could come up with. Step 4, baby! Zenology. Yes, you heard me right. We're gonna use Zenology to make the best sound you have ever heard in your entire life. It's a free plugin, so you don't have to worry. Well, at least that's what I think, cause I got it for free, so I don't really care. Really, I don't. I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck! Okay. Let's make a sound that goes like don 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 don. Next, I'ma slap this heavenly Zenology Bass with a Nicky Romero kickstart 2 for the sidechain effect. This is kinda necessary for the kick to have some space right after impact. And if you're wondering, yes! I did study music theory, bro! I know a thing or two about this shit, Broteen Shakespeare. Now, let's hear it. Step 5! Serum. Wait, Serum again? Yes! Serum. Add another Serum plugin in the sub bass, but slightly manipulate the wavetables to almost turn it into an aggressive bass type rather than a sub bass. And if you don't understand that, DM me on Discord. And if you're a minor, even better. No, it's a joke. I'm sorry, please don't DM me. I am just joking, bro.
What the f?
Don't DM me, please. Please, man, I need this. Again, let's make it go like don 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 don. Yeah. Now, let's mix it and make it sexy. We start with a freaky fruity wave shaper. Wait, what? We start with a fruity wave shaper to boost the bass. I mean, what the fuck, man? What the hell was that? Then a transient processor. Then a transient processor to process it transiently. Nah, just kidding. What this transient processor basically does is it allows transient peaks to be amplified or suppressed. Like, it basically amplifies your attacks and delays, you know, type shit. And after transiently processing your chicken, you insert a Nicky Romero kickstart into it for some tasty, yummy, drooling sidechain effects. Do not forget an EQ. To make this chicken faster, tastier, increase the highs and a little bit on the lows. Finally, give fresh air to your chicken, because every single chicken needs air. Oxygen. Put the highs on 15 and the mids on 25. And let's hear how our busty chicken sounds like after all that processing bullshit. Step 6. Step 6, 7. Yeah, that's not funny. Pack it up, little bro. Step 6. Pack it up, little bro. Step 6. The percussions. Let's program some percussion drums, bells, and shit. You can get all this stuff in the sample pack, by the way. Step 7. Wait, didn't I say 7 just a few seconds ago? Whatever. The kick! Now, this is one hell of a crucial part in this funk genre, because we need the kick to be as aggressive as they come, bro. As they bust. And for that, we're gonna give it an EQ specifically to boost the lows. And you can see that. It's friggin' boosted, alright? And then also shame it with the transient processor to process its transient peaks. A fresh air to enhance it, and then a kickstart to insignificantly reduce the impact. And let's hear it. Whatever the fuck that was, it sounded like a bad example. But don't worry, it's supposed to sound like that. Word. Next up, we shall now add the extras, or as we like to call them, effect, risers, impacts, and etc. Step 9! The vocals, or acapellas. Add the famous Fanaviano, Chichibina, Vem, joga com pressão, joga rabeta calan, joga rabeta cushion. Now I don't know what that shit means, but I fucking love it.
Fanaviano, Chichibina, Vem, joga com pressão.
By the way, you can get all this shit in the sample pack. In the mix, let's give it an EQ to reduce the lows and increase the highs. A sound goodizer to obviously make it sound good. Duh! A Valhalla vintage verb for the spacey reverb. Crazy amounts of fresh air to boost the highs and the mids. And what the actual fuck? Another Valhalla vintage verb for even more reverb. And to top it off, we stick a Valhalla delay for the you know what. And here's how it sounds.
Fanaviano, Chichibina, vem, joga com pressão. Fanaviano, Chichibina, vem, joga com pressão. Joga rabeta pra lá, joga rabeta no chão.
Step 10, the MISC, or as I like to call him, the MISC. Basically mastering my name. It's time for master automating and track mixing. Let's add a soft clipper to shoot and fuck up the volume to the moon. What? A fresh air for the whole track enhancement. An EQ to balance the overlapping frequencies. And of course, the weird looking endless smile plugin, the random reverbs you be hearing in funk songs every now and then. Look at that shit. It's freaking weird, dude. Creeps the hell out of me at night. Now, it's a glorious time to have a quick look at what's inside the best and biggest BBL, sample pack in pink.
Vai tomando, vai jogando, vai tomando, vai jogando. Você dança no funk e o bumbum vão balançando.
Fanaviano, Chichibina, vem, joga com pressão. Joga rabeta pra lá.
Amostra. Tom da palhinha da calcinha que os favela.
Novinha safadinha, hoje eu vou falar pra tu. Eu quero é tu. Novinha safadinha, hoje eu vou falar pra tu, quero.
Vem cá, tá preparada pra fuder sua safada.
A gente faz a festa com a batida que contagia e não presta. festa. Não presta tristeza, pra dor de cabeça. Só alegria, mano.
Quero mais. Escreve pra mim, não é demais.
Demais.
Eu quero mais.
Só tu grave que agora eu quero.
Use coupon code PINK for 25% off at checkout. This coupon is only limited time, so be quick before it's too late, little. Please subscribe and let's hear the final results.